Welcome back, Quizmasters. Today we are going to give you the ultimate animal guessing challenge. Today you have just 3 seconds to guess each animal. Make sure you subscribe this channel for more interesting quizzes. Let's start with easy mode. Let's go! Which animal is this? It's sheep. Guess this one. It's a cat. Do you know this one? Yeah, it's rabbit. Let's jump on medium mode. Let's make this a little bit interesting. Name this animal. Comment your answer. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, you are right. It's peacock. What do you think? Which animal is this? It's the fastest cheetah. Comment for part 2.